लैक्मे इंडिया फैशन वीक के डे 2 का अपडेट लेके आ गया है आपके लिए बीट नाइट। डे 1 के मुकाबले डे 2 रहा थोड़ा ज्यादा स्टार स्टडेड। यहाँ हमें दिखी करिश्मा कपूर, ट्विंकल खन्ना, आयशा टाकिया, सेलिना जेटली, फॉर्मर मिस इंडियाज डायना हेडन, युक्ता मुखी एंड मेनी मोर सेलेब्स। तो चलिए एक एक करके देखते हैं इन सब का फैशन वर्ल्ड में जलवा। करिश्मा तो यहाँ आई इन अ हरी और चली भी गई इन अ हरी, wearing a white shirt and blue denims with a black and white checkered bag। करिश्मा बता रही हैं लैक्मे फैशन वीक में आने का रीजन, खुद ही सुन लीजिए।
Well, honestly, I've come to see my little niece and my daughter's really dear friend who are walking।
यानी कि करिश्मा आई हैं अपनी नीस को देखने। बट लोलो, ये बताइए क्या हम आपको लैक्मे फैशन वीक के रैंप पर देखेंगे इस साल?
Let's see, you never know. Let's see, you never know.
चलिए, करिश्मा तो सस्पेंस खड़ा करके चली गई, लेकिन अभी भी हमारे पास हैं बहुत सारी बी टाउन ब्यूटीज टू टॉक अबाउट, जैसे कि ट्विंकल खन्ना, जिन्होंने पहना था एक स्मार्ट ब्लैक जैकेट with a Scorpio brooch pinned neatly। Twinkle लग तो रही थी काफी stunning, but unfortunately she didn't bother to interact with the media। साथ ही हमने स्पॉट किया सेलिना जेटली को wearing a shimmery fitted short dress। सोनल चौहान, जिन्होंने वॉक किया the ramp wearing a golden silverish attire। She seemed quite confident। वैसे एक चीज जो यहाँ हमने काफी प्रोमिनेंटली नोटिस की वो थी द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मिस इंडियाज who came in support of designer अर्चना कोचर। हाल ही में पैंटालून्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्राउन हुई अंकिता शौरी ने किया एक स्टनिंग ब्लैक एंड ऑरेंज halter गाउन पहन के अर्चना के लिए वॉक, एंड शी आल्सो वेंट अहेड सेइंग अ फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन फॉर हर डिजाइनर।
Her costumes, they ooze positivity. When I wear her costume, I feel so positive about my aura. I just feel so positive about myself.
चलिए, ये तो थी एक मिस इंडिया। पैनल में बैठी बाकी मिस इंडियाज की तरफ भी डालिए नजर। लाइन से बैठी मिस वर्ल्ड डायना हेडन, युक्ता मुखी, मिस वर्ल्ड रनर अप पार्वती ओमणकुट्टन एंड मिस इंडिया रनर अप सेलिना जेटली। वैसे अर्चना कोचर को सपोर्ट करने सिर्फ मिस इंडिया ही नहीं बल्कि आई एक्ट्रेसेस भी लाइक भाग्यश्री एंड आयशा टाकिया। बाकी सेलेब्स में हमने यहाँ स्पॉट किया 3 इडियट्स फेम ओमी वैद्य, पूजा बेदी, चंकी पांडे विद फैमिली, मनीष मल्होत्रा, रोहित बाल, पूनम ढिल्लों, पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरे, अर्पिता खान, मार्क रॉबिन्सन एंड मिमो चक्रवर्ती। यानी इस फैशन शो की स्टार्ट तो कुछ खास नहीं हुई, बट स्लोली इट्स पिकिंग अप इट्स पेस, और इसी पेस पर हम आपको छोड़ जाते हैं सेलिना जेटली और आयशा टाकिया के साथ, जिन्होंने इस इवेंट पर की जूम से एक्सक्लूसिवली बात।
I'm here for Archana's show, and Archana is a very dear friend, so I'm here to support her for the show. You know, it's so nice to be in here in this ambience. Reminds me of the days I used to model, and I was a Miss India and going for Miss Universe. So nice to have come here and see all this. Really nice.
One memory that you always remember from your Miss India days, and now when you look back at it, you're like, oh my God.
I see the confidence with which the models walk the ramp. I think it's so brilliant. I think, what I remember the most is it's not what you see on ramp, but what happens backstage. You just have 1 minute to change your outfit. And I always think, oh, these poor girls must be running back quickly and changing their outfits and coming back on again. I think they all did it so wonderfully, and the designers have all the credit for it, really.
Absolutely. Selina, one thing that you always thought was very important when it comes to fashion, something that you can't go wrong with.
Well, there's an old saying, whenever in doubt, wear black. It never goes wrong on you. So whenever you have a doubt, you should stick to black. Black is a color which will suit every body type, every silhouette, everything. It's a very comfortable color, and you can accessorize it. Just to add color, you can accessorize it with any other color in the universe,
Absolutely. Before I let you go, I have to ask you, have you yet decided exactly what color and dress you're wearing for your wedding?
Oh my God, I haven't even decided the date of my wedding yet. So, but as soon as I do, Zoom will be the first one to know first, definitely, for sure.
Right. And guess who we just caught up with at the Lakme Fashion Week? Mrs. Azmi?
Yes, hello, how are you?
How are you doing? Actually, you seem to be glowing more and more every day with all the tweets and all the lovey the week messages. Love is definitely in the air.
It is, I know. Everyone, I got a tweet the other day from someone saying that you guys are behaving like you all are still dating. You've been married for 2.5 years. But I think that's important to keep the romance alive.
What's the most interesting thing that he's done for you recently? I'm sure he's done a lot.
He always does something special for me. He's really one of the nicest guys on the planet, and I'm really lucky to be with him. And I think every day he does or says something that makes me feel special.
You know, when you talk about fashion, are you very particular about what you wear and about the, supposing you're going to a particular place? So is it necessary to dress according to the place?
I think that certain protocol according to a place is important, just to be respectful to that place. Otherwise, it looks like you don't care. But where your fashion sense stands, I think it's important to stay true to your personality and then maintain the protocol for what place you're going to.
What's the most fashionable piece of article Mr. Azmi has gifted you yet?
I think my watch, maybe I'm not wearing it today, but I think he likes watches. He gives me watches and he buys me shoes also, which I really love. I think a girl loves that, and I'm a high heels girl, so shoes, maybe bags, things like that. Girly stuff.
Oh my god, I think this is the first husband who's ever gone ahead and bought you like shoes and bags.
Oh good then, I'm really lucky.
Well, hope the love keeps blossoming. Thank you so much, Aisha.
Thank you.